Point Blank is more than a university. You come down here, you enter the industry. You're in a very unique position where you are a full-time musician for 3 years, and that's so special. My name is Thomas Irwin. I do the music production and DJ performance degree. I took this course because I wanted to take my music production and DJ skills to the next level. I wanted to have more opportunities in the industry, and I wanted to live in London where so much things happen. There's so many great lecturers here. They've all worked in industry, and that's so important. They're at a time where they want to share their experience with us. And the skill level he has is unreal. I mean, when you're able to book a one-to-one with someone that's worked in the industry for 30, 40 years potentially, and you can just ask them for feedback on your track and they will go into it with you, they can help you out on production. The classroom experience is so good at Point Blank. Your rooms have professional equipment, which you'd be lucky to find in studios, and now you can just go into these rooms every day and practice. When are you able to go into a room sponsored by Pioneer DJ and have pretty much every piece of equipment at your fingertips? Point Blank put on a careers day at Fabric, which gave students the opportunity to talk to some of the big players in the industry in terms of employment opportunities after Point Blank. Through Point Blank, I've been able to play some of the best nightclubs in London, Ministry of Sound, Fabric, and I was picked to play in room 2, which was just iconic. Playing to my friends, playing to my lecturers, and also having a bit of a party with everyone. It's brilliant. Through Point Blank, I've gone over to Ibiza to host a masterclass. The opportunities that Point Blank gives you, it's priceless. You won't get that at any other university. Point Blank isn't just a university, it's an entry to the industry. This place is so important.